have to do this.
Oh my god, here I am. Completely naked in front of a stranger. Again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, I can never ever get used to this. Oh god.
What exactly is this parlor auntie looking at so intently? Does she want to find her way to Narnia down there?
I can't believe I'm doing this for him. I cannot believe this.
Okay, take a deep breath. It won't hurt as much as the first time.
Would he do this for me? No, he wouldn't.
Damn, this sticky hot wax. Oh.
It's gonna be over in 10 seconds. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. It's gonna be over. Don't worry.
Never mind. It's going to be oh so smooth after.
There goes Auntie's hand on the clit. What is she trying to do?
What? This was just one side? Hell no!
She's gonna pull it. She's gonna pull it. She's gonna pull it. Oh god!
Oh god! I want to just run away. This is a nightmare.
Is that boy even worth this thing? Oh!
Here comes another one. I think I can handle this now.
Hell no! Is she trying to detach my vagina from my body? God, क्या करना पड़ता है?
I don't know why I have to do this every 2 months.
All clean. I can finally breathe for good 2 months until the devil returns to hell.